बच्चे के लिए एक सबसे बड़ी सजा है कि मुझे बैठा करके मतलब ज़बरदस्ती कोई काम कराया जाए, कि जैसे कि लिखवाना। अब बहुत मैंने इसके बारे में पढ़ा है कि छोटे छोटे बच्चे अब पेंसिल पकड़ा करके उनको पढ़ाना, हाउ राइट दैट इज़, कि ज़बरदस्ती लिखवाते रहते हैं उनको बहुत कम एज में, बहुत कम एज में।
सो ये ना एक वो बन गया है। अब सोचने वाली बात है, अगर हम किसी चीज़ के लिए रेडी नहीं है, सपोज आई हैव नॉट लर्नड ड्राइविंग, बट आई I'm pressurized that you have to drive because you have to become independent, right? I'm talking from an adult's point of view. I'll be so fearful of getting on the road, isn't it? Because I haven't mastered that skill. Now, when it comes to, and then once I master it, then I'm listening to music and I'm talking to people and I'm driving and I don't even feel that it happens automatically. In case of children, what happens that we want them to do everything so fast that we don't even want to know whether that they are ready for it.
Ready for it, yes.
All right. So even if you open any book of education, psychology, everywhere it says that the skills of language development comes from listening, speaking, reading and writing in that sequence. You've been listening for 2 years of your life and suddenly after 2 years, you start speaking the language that you've been listening.
Correct.
All right. Then you start speaking that language. Then you actually start reading things around you, not actually reading, but you start reading symbols,
Signs.
start reading pictures, you start understanding that is McDonald's. Not that I can read that is M written over there, but that sign I start recognizing that is reading. So a lot of picture reading and things reading, associations of related to pictures and understanding that happens. And the last stage is writing. So you could start scribbling, you could start drawing before that, you could start coloring before that. While you are scribbling, drawing, and doing all of that stuff, you are picking up that pencil to do. Initially, the pencil is held like this, like a dagger, okay, by the children. If you look, they do this. And very slowly, without even teaching, they start holding it like that when they are of that age. So when they are at this stage, and you want them to hold it like this, because you can't be writing like this, and you want them to hold like this, they are actually not ready for it. Their muscles are not ready. Their hand-eye coordination and the connection with the brain is also not ready. And we are forcing them to do that. So we start killing the love for learning right there, because it is a struggle for me. My hands are paining.
Yes.
My hands are paining.
हाँ, मैं बहाने करूँगा कि मुझे नहीं पढ़ना है बाद में।
नहीं है वो, ओके, वो बहाना देखा जाता है। वो एक लाइन,
वो सच ही बोल रहा है, उसको नहीं लिखा जाता।
एक लाइन लिखने के बाद वो कहता है मेरे हाथ दुख रहे हैं। एंड इफ द पेरेंट थिंक्स दैट हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल,
एक ही लाइन तो लिखी है,
एक ही लाइन लिखी है, 4 तो लिखे नहीं है वर्ड अभी तुम, लेटर्स, एंड तुम्हारा हाथ दुख रहा है, तो ये बहाने बनाता है। सो व्हेन यू कीप सेइंग दैट एंड द चाइल्ड स्टार्ट क्राइंग, so I start believing that there is bahana which can be made.
Well,
all right. So then it turns into a bahana after some time.
Correct.
Right. And from that time only, what have I given the brain? That this experience of padhai means copy and writing, and this experience is painful.
वो experience नहीं चाहिए उसको.
Who wants a painful experience?
Yes, of course.
What I want and what I like about my school or home is when I play with my friends. Okay. And for that reason I go, but that painful experience is so much that I cry before going to school.